go spin this morning. Yeah. Ooh. Ah. That's better. Guys, a nice gorgeous coffee this morning at 7 a.m. on this beautiful Tuesday. Yesterday I had just like an off day, you know, like I didn't feel like me, even though I worked out and I was like, oh yeah, I'm getting back to me. Like I didn't feel like me to my core. Today we get back to me to my core. So I'm gonna enjoy my coffee, probably do some emails and things, and then we're gonna go to the gym in my building for the first time. It's like I said, we're getting back in the workout routine. I love the light in this kitchen in the morning. It makes me feel so happy. I can't. Thank you so much to Factor for sponsoring this video. I love getting Factor delivered right to my door. They are fresh, never frozen, dietitian approved meals. They have a team of gourmet chefs that create each meal using only ingredients that have integrity to help you feel your best. You guys know I have been moving and kind of just in a chaotic state, and Factor is keeping me on track. This time I did the vegan and veggie plan. Factor takes the stress out of meal planning and sets you up for success. They also offer snack options like breakfast, smoothies, juices, small bites, and more. Factor meals eliminate the hassle of prepping, cooking, or cleaning up, so you just heat and savor the good stuff. I like heating my Factor meals in the oven because it feels like I'm actually cooking from home without cooking from home. But you could also heat them up in the microwave for just 2 minutes. Factor cuts down on grocery trips and cooking, so there's just more time for, doing the summer activities that I want to do, hanging out with friends and family, focusing on my new space. If you guys want to check out Factor for yourself, head to factor75.com or click the link below and use the code Micciobusiness at factor75.com to get 50% off your first box plus 20% off your next month of orders. Once again, that is factor75.com and use my code Micciobusiness to get 50% off your first box and 20% off your next month of orders. Thanks again to Factor for working with me on this video. The to-do list this morning is a little scary. It's not all due today, but I do have a lot of content to film for brands. And, when I'm having an off day, just not feeling my best, I have a little bit of like a rash situation under my eye. Like I don't really want to do that right now, but maybe later in the day, we'll be feeling more up to it. I'm hoping that we turn this day around. Other than that, posting a video at 8:30. I've been doing like premieres for my YouTube videos. Let me know if you guys like them. I think they're kind of fun because it's like everybody watches the video together and comments on it together if you're like one of the first people to watch it. I can't get over how good this coffee looks. This is like the perfect color. The Trader Joe's oat milk is really good. Gotta pay some bills because your girl's an adult homeowner. I had to pay bills before I was a homeowner, but now there's more bills. The bills seemingly never end. Going to the gym in my building for the first time. Obviously I've been there but not worked out there, so we'll see how busy it is. It's 9 a.m. now. I can't believe the morning's already slipped by me, but I started pulling some deals for Amazon Prime Day. I linked them on my Amazon shop. I wasn't really planning on like getting too much, but then at the same time I'm like, oh, the stuff I need for the house, maybe I should be getting it while it's on sale. Anyways, Lululemon shorts. This is a workout top from Story, and then I'm wearing a Lululemon bra underneath. It's like a light support one, but hopefully it does the job. And then after, I think I might run an errand or two, so I'm bringing my belt bag so that I can like just go right from the gym. What should I get for a water bottle? I think I'm just gonna bring this disposable one that I already have from Poland Spring. Let's go to the gym. We're gonna try these from Costco. They're very good. I really need a air fryer, but Ben's bringing that when he moves in, so I did it like in the convection oven in the microwave, and they're good. They're crispy, a little less delicious than the Starbucks ones, but they'll do the trick. I'm just getting some things done. I'm gonna shoot some content in a little bit, but I showered, I put this outfit on. At the gym, I really just did some walking. I have my period right now. I get my period once every like few months on the birth control I'm on, and not even, honestly, less frequently than that. And every time I get it, it just like, it lasts for a long time. It just like gets me down. I'm like, oh, why am I tired? Why am I bloated? Why am I crampy? Like, oh, probably because I'm on my period right now. So I'm down bad with that. And that's also probably why my skin is not loving me right now. But there are so many sales going on right now. It's like almost borderline overwhelming because it's like we have Prime Day coming up. It's like the Nordstrom sale. It is, I think like Target just did a really big sale. There are just like a lot of sales going on. Sales galore. I'm gonna link a bunch of like collages on my LTK. I never want people to feel like pressured to buy, but like a lot of my job is like product recommendations and like sharing with you guys things. I want to get some new fun like everyday sneakers, not like super fun, but maybe like a pair of New Balances or something. I'm lurking on the web. Okay, for dinner we have some Hawaiian. I got poke. Ben got like a bibimbap bowl or something. Cool. We're making a smoothie this morning. Banana, strawberry. They sent me a bunch of packs of it. Obviously I can't use the peanut butter ones, but it's this Churvani. I kind of like that it's individual packets because I get to like try the flavors. I did some oat milk. I really like this cold brew. Got the multi-pack from Costco. You know, some oat milks are kind of watery. This one, I have to say, very smooth, very creamy. And this acts as like a cold foam. Cheers. We have an exciting day today. We're having Hannah Berner on the podcast. It's really exciting. Her new Netflix special is out. Gals in their comedian era. Besides recording with Hannah, I have a pretty chill day here. I just did my makeup. I'm gonna cook dinner tonight, so we'll get all the ingredients for that. I'm changing. I'm gonna like eat breakfast, but I have on this skirt from Aritzia, and I think I'm gonna wear like a cropped button down, which is a little unlike me. We're gonna see if this outfit that I planned in my head, you know, if it comes to fruition. That's always a fun game I like to play with myself. The vision is not exactly, this is giving like schoolgirl Halloween costume. I do love it, but not, I think, for this occasion. I really like the shirt. I like the fit of it. I believe it's from Sandro. So I think I need a different skirt. So back to the drawing board. We'll try this. No, this isn't gonna work. That skirt is the skirt. It's just a little too midriffy, I think. Okay, this is what we're settling on. We're changing the top. This is from Aritzia. I do really like this top. I think it'll be flattering to podcast in. Skirt is also from Aritzia. I believe it's like 70 or 80 bucks. I'll link it down below. Really great skirt. I wore it all in. Ooh, hello, butt. The shorts underneath are definitely short, but they do the job. I wore this all throughout Italy. And then I'm wearing old Vince Camuto boots. We need to put on some earrings, style up this look. I think I'm just gonna do hoops. Swig of mouthwash before we go. It'll do. It's really hot outside, so I feel like it's giving schoolgirl. Let's go record. I'm having a bit of an issue with my eye too. I'm having some like really dry skin around the side and it's like super watery. I think I'm allergic to something. I don't know what though. So no mascara today.
Okay, I'm doing a video now.
This is my happy place. People are talking about these Chobani creamers recently. Not this flavor, but I'll try it. Overstimulated, overheating. That's summer in the city, baby. Gotta take off these boots. It's like my feet didn't hurt until they really started hurting. I picked up some ingredients for dinner. I think we're gonna do like tacos. I found this recipe on New York Times Cooking. I also got some things because we got like a huge pack of wings. And Ben is the chef in the relationship and he told me to get like baking powder and cornstarch to like dry out the wings, basically. They're frozen, so you want to like defrost them. I don't know, he has a whole thing that he does. I don't really know. To make my life easier, I got guac and salsa made and rotisserie chicken to make the tacos a little easier. And it says that you could use it for this recipe. Corn tortillas, some limes. These are like crispy cheese tacos. So I got Monterey Jack cheese. I'm gonna eat these avocado rolls now. I wanna try this new creamer, the Chobani one. That's really it. I sweat so much. I sweat through my shirt. I didn't even realize in the last clip. I'm about to take a shower to cool off. Also, I totally am having issues with my eye. It's like really, I can't tell if it's eczema or what, but I'm having some real issues with it. It's really itchy. Trying to make this recipe, I just grated cheese because it's like baked cheese basically into like little crunchy pieces. There we go. I'm also trying to let my hair air dry natural. I used the Dream Coat like product for curly hair. See what happens. Can't be bothered right now. Kind of eyeballing this. It's supposed to be 3 tablespoons of lime juice. Might be a little much. This is interesting. It's like oregano, orange juice, lime juice, onions. It's supposed to be red onions, but I bought like a ton of white onions at Costco, so it's gonna be white onions and salt. All right, this is how it turned out. I'm pretty happy with it. The cheese didn't get like to a crisp, but then I did the chicken in like an adobo pepper thing, and then this is kind of like a DIY pickled onion. The red onions would have been better, but that's okay. And then with it, we have pico and guac, so we're gonna kind of do it up. Yummy. Good morning. I'm going to meet my friend Alexis. We're gonna go for a walk. Yeah, she lives in Brooklyn too. We're gonna have a little cute morning before it gets like too hot outside. Basically any point past 11, it's like uncomfortably hot. I feel like a lot of people don't realize that there are parts of Brooklyn that look like this. Very like city vibes. I love Brooklyn because there's so much here. I feel like in every part of the city you can get like, you know, a lot of different feels. Why is this the cutest little thing to me? It's a cute little pet parlor. I'm gonna cry. I had a great walk with Lexus. Explored like the Fort Greene area. I'll show you guys more in vlogs to come. Anyways, we were just chatting to Gab and Gals. I wanted to show you guys, I think I kind of showed them briefly, but I got these from Etsy. They're placemats and they have a hint of green in them, and I kind of love them. They're round and you could choose your color, and I just went for this green because I thought that it was nice, and they're gonna stay here, and then, you know, when I need to use them, just wanted to mention that they're really nice quality. So for like the rest of the apartment stuff, I think I told you guys I am like working with an interior designer in a company, so getting a lot of stuff ordered, hence why things are looking random. This is like a speaker that Ben has. It's a really great speaker. It's really nice. I don't think it will stay in that spot, but like just trying to figure out where everything will live basically still. And like random tripods floating around, the life of a content creator. And basically every time I leave my house and come back, I have to shower because I'm just like, it's that type of weather where you just immediately sweat. And so that's what I just did. And then I have therapy now, so yay. Oh, and I figured I would show you guys this today in the vlog, because in the second bathroom, well, there's 3 bathrooms, I guess, but this is the second full bath. I mentioned that I wanted to get a glass wall installed, and I am today. They're coming to do it. So they're gonna put like a half glass wall here, so it will be like a functioning shower. I mean, it is a functioning shower currently, but I didn't want to put up like a curtain or anything, so I was just like, let me just wait. But now I can have people come here and shower, or I can use it. You could also use it as a tub. We'll see. I think it's gonna be like from here on. It's gonna look good. They sent me the measurements. I will say a really cool perk of this job is like all the PR that I get, obviously, so I was able to like stock up the bathroom. I feel like with some things, we have an unintentional like blue theme here. I use this to scrub off my self-tan sometimes, so this was like used. I can move that. These are like, I get them in a pack from Amazon. It's like a cloth that like exfoliates. It's definitely like an aggressive exfoliation, but it's good if you like mess up your hands or something. So I'm excited to have that all come together. This room is still a mess. I don't even want to talk about it, but this is also where I ordered furniture for, so things will be moved around soon. Also ordered furniture for the bedroom, so things are gonna come along in here now besides just the bed. Got like a new dresser, new side table. I need to redo, like, I love my Brooklyn bedding, but like I want to add some more like texture and things, the color. I found some inspo, I think on TikTok actually. I've been getting served, my For You page said you moved to a new apartment, because I've been getting served some good content on there. But I'm taking not even everybody's advice, my own advice, and taking it slow. There's really no rush because it is a home. There's no like hot rush to get everything done. And I'm just reminding myself that. Think about like, I mean, my parents got my house done pretty quick, but most people when they furnish a home, like my parents still like redo things in the house, you know? They're like, okay, we're gonna like redo the living room, we're gonna like redo this bedroom, whatever. Like it's like a forever type of project. So I'd rather like spend money the right way and like take my time and do it that way. So that's my logic there. I'm doing the glass door right now. I had a great therapy session. The creamer that I got yesterday is so good. This creamer is so delicious. It's so creamy and it tastes just like a coffee cake. It's the remaining. I'm obsessed with having an ice maker. If you don't have one, get one for your countertop. It upgrades your drink game 1,000,000%. And we have a glass wall. It's a half glass wall. Some water might get out, but like for the most part, I feel like this is good. It's what I wanted, because I wanted it to still like look open and stuff in here and not be too like offensive. So I'm very happy with it, and this was a very cost-effective solution because this stuff could be expensive. Let me tell you, the home improvements, as they like should be. I feel like it makes sense, you know, someone's coming out here and installing it, they have to order the glass, like it's a whole thing. But yeah, it does smell like sealant, like glue almost, because I guess they did that on the bottom, and they said not to use it for 2 days, but in 2 days we can start to use it. So since it smells like toxic fumes, I'm just gonna leave, actually I guess I could leave like that open, but I kind of want to leave just like the second bedroom door closed. I shut the blinds so that we're saving energy, and I'm just like, let's just not go in there. I can't stop wearing the most like random outfits. These shorts are very comfortable. They're from Buff Bunny. I think my code Brooke still works, you could always use that. They kind of look like a skirt, but then it's like a short. And I just really cleaned up in here because I filmed a Instagram story about my bar stools. So I was like, let me just tidy this place up. They are really nice. I'm really, really happy with these. So it's nice and tidy in here. I think we're gonna build this tonight. This is it's like a shower stool, because right now I don't have any sort of ledge or anything in my shower to like prop my legs up on when I wanna like shave them, or I don't know. Sometimes maybe you wanna sit in the shower. I don't know. I'm actually not one of those people. Like some people like will full on like take a seat in the shower. That's not me. But like, I get it, you know, if you take a really long hot shower in the winter, like then it's nice. It's 4 o'clock. I feel like every day around like 3 or 4 o'clock, it's not even like an afternoon slump. It's more so just the realization. I'm like, wow, the day is already like slipping by me. I just feel like time is going so fast this summer, and I don't know how to make it slow down. Very excited because my brother is signing a lease to an apartment, and he is not going to be super far from me. We just spoke on the phone, and I'm very excited about it. It'll be nice to have a family member here in the city. Fun fact, if you didn't know, my mom like hates New York City. She just doesn't like cities. She's a suburb gal. She likes to drive around her car and like park in the parking lot, which I get, you know? My dad does like the city more, but I think I'm gonna really enjoy having like a blood family member here. He won't be too far away, so I don't know. I'm excited about that. Now that we're in this phase of life, it's like really cool that we're both like, you know, he's out of college now, so we're both like in the same like stage of life, I guess, kind of like post-grad. So I just feel like we have more to like relate on, and we're just, you know, we've gotten closer as we've gotten older, which is really sweet. So I love that. Oh, and this is exciting. Look what I just got. New book. Emily gave him the Summer Pact. The other books that I was reading that I talked about in the last vlog, I'm struggling, guys. I'm struggling with books. On my Kindle, it's pretty good. It's the new Carly Fortune book, but like, I'm not inclined to pick it up. And then I read some other ones that just like, I got halfway through and I was like, they're not for me. So I know that I love her as an author. So I'm hoping that I will very much so like this. And I decided to get the physical book for it because it is the summer, and you know, if I'm outside and I want to read it outside or whatever. 4 freshmen arrive at college from completely different worlds. Soon after arriving, they strike up conversation in their shared dorm, and the seeds of friendship are planted. After their college years fly, graduation 10 years later, one of them is anticipating the happiest moment of her life when suddenly her life is flipped upside down. I'm gonna cry a lot reading this. Her books are really great. Meant to Be is so good. All right, guys, I never ended this video off. Awesome. But I just want to say thank you for watching. I feel like I have like a very random few days ahead, so follow me on Instagram and TikTok and everywhere else to stay updated in the real time. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.